So I am coming to you today from my little piece of a closet office that I am in today, and I just wanted to give you a little quick tutorial if you ever want to change your background and use green screen. And when I say change your background using green screen, I mean like frequently changing your background to match maybe what you are teaching that day or a particular holiday. If you travel and just need something other than the headboard of your bed or shower in the bathroom, you know, if you're a traveling teacher, green screen might be perfect for you. So here's just a quick. Okay, so hope everybody can hear me, hope everybody can see me. The reason that I am recording the video this way is simply because it's just easier because it's a format that Instagram likes, so that's why I'm videoing it this way as opposed to like a screen recording or something like that. So anyway, any event, I hope you can hear me, I hope you can see me. Some really valuable stuff coming up here. So here we go, let's take a look. So I am using Manycam, and I'm not going to go in depth on exactly like how to download Manycam. You know, this is not what that video this is not what this video is about. If you'd like me to do a video like that, then I can, but this is not what this video is about. This video is strictly about changing your background using Manycam, so you should have some familiarity with Manycam before you watch this video, okay? But like I said, if you want me to do something like along the lines of a Manycam 101 video, I will be happy to do that. So in any event, so I am using Manycam right now. So if I went here where it says chroma key, everybody can see that in black, it says chroma key, you're going to click here, and you can turn chroma key on and off. If I turn chroma key off, then this is what you see. You see this green, which this is a curtain panel that I paid like maybe $10 for at Walmart years ago when I first started teaching and using Manycam. So you can use, I've seen people put together maybe several pieces of poster board that were green because they're kind of thin, so you have to put a few of them together. I've seen people use bed sheets, the dollar plastic green tablecloths that come from like Dollar General, the dollar store, that you can get for $1, Walmart. So you can tell I live in the South. Some people are like, what is Dollar General? It's Dollar General everywhere. I don't know, but anyway, you can probably tell by the list of stores that I just ran down that I live in the South, if you hadn't figured it out from my voice. So in any event, you can turn chroma key on and off. So I have it off right now, so you see my green curtain panel. Now if I turn it back on, this is a picture that I have chosen, that I have decided that I wanted to use as my background. So let's say I went to a transparent background, okay? I haven't chosen one yet. Manycam does have some preset backgrounds, so let's say I chose background 1. This is what it looks like. Because I have it here, hope you can see this color picker. I've chosen the picker. You see, it looks like now, before I go on about the picker, let's talk about the picture. Let's go back to chroma key, and we have chroma key on, which means that we can choose whatever background we would like. So let's go here to background, and then we're going to click on custom background, and I'm going to go to downloads because I already have a few things downloaded that I've grabbed here and there. You might want to try like free stock photo sites. That works. So let's see, or any picture you want, I have taken screenshots out of lessons that I'm teaching. When I'm previewing the lessons, I may take a screenshot out of the lesson and use it as my background. So it is honestly anything that you want. Let's see, no, those were sprinkles. So let's say that I was doing one on breakfast, right? Let's see if I was doing a lesson on breakfast, and I wanted the student to see, oh, and there goes my hair. This blonde hair is so funny. Okay, so we're going to go back to custom background, and Watch me not be able to find the breakfast again. Ah, that was a great one. Yeah, say if you want to tailor the background to go with your lesson, then you can use something like breakfast, or let's see, what's this? I think this is just one that's electricity outside, maybe. So get out of the shot. As you can see, I now have like electrical wires behind me, which might not be the best idea. You can keep clicking to make the picture clearer and see, ta-da, how nice and clear, and it looks like I'm outside with power lines behind me, which might not be the best idea. But if you're doing a lesson on electricity, you know, that could work. Let me see what else. If you want your logo behind you, you know, I also work for Magic here, so there's, you know, Bonnie there. And so let's see what else. I wanted to find one. Oh, this is a funky one. This is Days of the Week. VIP kid teachers. I think there's a whole unit on that. I haven't taught for VIP kid in so long, so but I think I remember that. So honestly, you can change your background look. This is just glitter. I'm such a glitter girl. And then if you go here to effects, get off of chroma key, you can kind of see how up here in the top in this corner, if you can see, there's a little bit of white. So I'm moving myself kind of around, but you have to be on the effects mode, or else it's gonna like take your chroma key off, or it's gonna, you know, think you're talking about your background when you're really just wanting to move your position. So make sure that you're on effects. See that? Look at that. Oh, I think I actually like this background. I haven't used this background in a while, so I think I may use this background in my next lesson. So in any event, that is how you use green screen in Manycam. And yeah, that's it. So make sure, you know, you go out and get whatever picture that you'd like for your background. Make sure that you know where it is, whether it's in your downloads or whether you've saved it on your desktop. And then you simply just go to chroma key, you turn it on, you know, make sure you have your green backdrop. And click background, and you can do custom, and then choose that picture wherever you have it saved, and you know, you'll see the little droplet when you come over here and you kind of get out of the frame. Click, 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 click around till it smooths out. Sometimes you will have to work with your lighting. As you saw that first time I cut my hair, and so I had to go back and make some adjustments. Most of the time, the number one thing that people say that they had to do, or they realized what the issue was, is lighting. So just make sure that you check your lighting, that your lighting is bright enough, and that it is shining not only on you but also on your background. Okay, all right guys, if you would like to see any more videos like this, and you know, some more, like I said, maybe along the lines of a Manycam 101, let me know. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.